What's up, YouTube? So, my name is June, and my channel it's about modifying stuff to make it more user friendly, I guess. For example, like if you have a battery operated toys for your kids or something like that, and you want to connect a power to it, you can learn from this channel. So, please like, comment below, subscribe, and smash that bell notification. So let's get on it. This corded so we can plug it to the outlet. If you're tired of replacing batteries every time because your daughter used this so much, because she used it while changing diapers, because she liked to listen to it, you know what I mean? So let me show you how. So this is what you need. You need a power inverter like this. If you look at it, this one, I measured it with a multimeter and it's about 5 volt DC. So we could use that because this battery is right here is about, let's see, hopefully you guys could see it. About 1.5 volts. So if you put two in series, they're like about 3 volts DC. This one put out about 5 volt DC, like 4.8. So we could actually use this to power that. So this, what we're gonna do to power it up. What we're gonna do, we're gonna connect this connector right here. You could use the alligator clip. It's a lot easier doing it this way. And we're gonna solder it on the actual wires. All right, let's do it. You guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys how to measure this connectors. All right, first thing first, you need a little multimeter and put it in volt DC. When you put it in volt DC, it's gonna look like this. It have that little line and dash, and it'll show right there, volt DC. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna plug this outlet to the outlet and check the voltage by what I did. So I don't have to hold it, I just used this clamp, the alligator clamp, and clamp it in there like that. And same thing with the other one. Oh shoot. Before you plug it in, let's do this first. Like so. Like so. Now let's plug it in. Let's see the voltage.
I'll answer quickly as I can. I'm always learning more.
All right, as you can see, it's 5 volt DC. So we could use this to connect it to that toy. All right, I know this one is positive right here because it's on the black because it shows negative. I'm gonna do so I can see that it was the positive. I'm just gonna put a knot on this, tie it. I think there's a white, you guys could see that white paint on it, but this is how I'm gonna do it. So now we need to solder it to the alligator clip, these guys right here. So what I did, I just bend it there for now to hold it in place. It's a little pliers or vice grip. See, I just crush it in there and do the same thing on the other one. Like so. So I already preheat my soldering iron. Let's get this out of the way. And there you go. Be careful with hot, so just put a little solder here and hold it in place. All right, you can see it. There you go. That one is on. Now we need to put some solder in this one. All right, see. There you go. That thing is done. Soldered. All right, shut off your solder, make sure. I change it out a little bit because I can't use the alligator to go to the positive. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use this little wire and you could just wedge it right here and it will be held in place with the cover. So I'm gonna solder the wire on this. So let's do it. Alright, so I'm gonna cut this to size. It's around here. And what I'm gonna do, it's plated. So I'm gonna remove that coating. Smell that? Yeah. It's coated. So I'm trying to remove the coating on it. And on this side also. And let's solder our wire on this. I'm just stripping the wire. There you go. And I'm gonna wrap it around here and then solder it in place. All right, like that. All right, let's solder it. right, I think it's on there. So that's how it's gonna look like. And it's also removable. If you want to remove it and put battery on it, it's fine. You can just unplug these and it's back to normal. All right, guys, so as you could see, that's what I did right there. You see it? I hooked it and clip it to the spring. The hook goes to the positive. The alligator clip goes to the negative on the spring. So I plugged it in and let's see. Let's test it out. Power on. Yes.
Story time.
It works, guys.
Sweet dreams. Night, night.
There you go. You can also use this if you don't want to use the cord. You can just unplug it and put the batteries just regular. And there's one more thing that we need to modify a little bit. I need to, you see it right here? See that? We need to put a little cut on here. So when we close it, it's actually good. It's not pinching the wires. So let's do that real quick. Figured out I'm gonna cut it right here. So it'll just come up right here. So let's do it. I'm just gonna cut a little slit. See, the cover's still good. And like that. Let's try it out, make sure it works. And there you go. That's why I put the little slit there. And I'm gonna tighten the screws. Like so. Now it's corded. Say goodbye to the battery. And it doesn't take a lot of power. And still works. Yeah, success, guys. So that's how you eliminate buying batteries. So there you go, guys. That's how it goes. It's plugged in to this outlet. So she can just play it while changing her diapers. So, yep, this project is done.